Hello, hello. What are today's messages? I can embrace change. Every day I will become more blank. What would you put in the blank? Mine would be patient. I can do anything I want to with my life, with the legal limits of my state, country, probationary guidelines. No wasted days. No reason not to try. Exploring unity consciousness. I am one, eternal light, appearing as all. I connect with the strength and wisdom of my ancestors. Number 50. Alrighty, which envelope has our quotes and messages today? Which one? Let's do pink. Comparison is a thief of joy. Someone else's journey is not yours. Dr. Bernie D. Siegel studied the effects of laughter. It boosts our immune systems and helps us heal from cancer, diseases, and illnesses. So I hope you're laughing more. You'd be surprised by the many talents hidden within you. If only you gave yourself the permission to be a beginner. This is how you love yourself. Instead of begging for the pain to go away, you choose to hear what your pain is begging of you. Surrender your low self-esteem. You deserve success, love, abundance. Set an intention to identify and release any remnants of low self-esteem now. A victim mentality is the ingenious cloak of self-betrayal. The character never develops. The story never ends. An infinite loop of personal hell. Consider soulmates to also be in the form of friends, animals, the wind, the tides, the plants, pieces of art, and the moon. Great love lives everywhere. And the last one today. It's 12 p.m. Gonna save the other half of my lunch for later. 12 p.m. Time to finish the other half of my lunch now. Have you ever done that? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.